Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is another little video about the release of October 5th of Windows 11. For those that will want to have Android apps in Windows 11, it ain't gonna happen on October 5th. So right now what's happening is some of the apps are updated. The way Android apps for Windows 11 are gonna happen, they're gonna happen through the Amazon store. That means you'll have to go to the Microsoft store like this, and here you'll have to find the Amazon store that will actually give you Android apps capability. So this is something that is really not available. It won't be for months. Microsoft is probably, maybe they're having problems, I don't know, or things are not working the way they wanted. But Microsoft has absolutely mentioned that this is not going to be available for months. And this is one of the reasons why, my take on the release of October 5th for Windows 11 is kind of in a negative mood, kind of thinking, well, do you really need that right now? Because if that's missing, and that's one of the features that a lot of people were talking about. I mean, if it's missing and it's one of the features that they were happy to talk about, kind of weird that they're not waiting. I have the impression that the release is rushed and that somehow, somewhere, someone said, you got to do this right now. That is weird. The other thing about the release of October 5th, a lot of people are asking me, what do I think, how fast this is going to be adopted? I don't see Windows 11 being adopted as fast as Windows 10 was. Windows 10 took longer than expected to reach the goals that Microsoft had set. Now, to be fair, one of the problems that prevented this from happening was the fact that the goal was also set with in mind Windows Phone, which of course died a few years after Windows 10 was released. Now, the interesting part of this, of course, is the fact that if it's incomplete, then obviously it's been rushed. That feels like a rush for sure. So we'll see how things go, and we'll see how this is working out in the release. But definitely Windows 11 will take a lot more time to be released and to be on hundreds of millions of PCs than Windows 10 ever. A lot of it has to do with the minimum requirements, which have stayed pretty much the same. Minimum requirements are now official because October 5th is the official date. There won't be any change, and Microsoft is not going to move. Of course, will October 5th be the day when you can also get this version for people that are unsupported that would still want to go and play around with it? Well, if the media creation tool is updated and you got the image, the ISO, that means that you will be able to probably upgrade an unsupported machine on October 5th using that image. But obviously missing stuff in there, and especially the Android apps, I think that is something that some people were probably waiting for that's still not going to be there. For the rest, there's, of course, a lot of things also that people complain about that they don't like. The fact that you can't move this taskbar anywhere else than from the bottom. There's tons of little things like that people don't like. The menus are, have been updated and all, but you still have tons of inconsistencies from different, parts of the operating system that aren't the same. So, yeah, that's Windows 11. It's the way it is. It's the way it's going to be. There are things you cannot remove or change. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.